Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to check your Best Buy gift card balance. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Best Buy account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing I'd like you to know is that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Now, Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's see how to check our Best Buy gift card balance. From this homepage, head over to the top corner of the screen where you have a couple tabs. We have top deals, deal of the day. Yes, Best Buy sells that. My Best Buy memberships, credit cards, and gift cards. So go ahead and click on gift cards, and it's going to take you to the gift cards window. Give the perfect gift card. Oh, that's right. And then you have this, what type of gift card will you like? And you have a lot of options in there. Now scroll the way down, you have this check your gift card balance. Yay! So go ahead and click on this check card balance button, and it's going to take you to a window where you can now check your Best Buy gift card balance. So this is for physical gift card, this is for e-gift card. So enter your gift card number, and in here enter your PIN. So once you enter your gift card number, this is where you have your gift card number, and enter your PIN. This is what it looks like, 4-digit PIN, and then click on check balance. Once you click on check balance, it's going to take you to a window where you can now find your gift card balance. So this is pretty much the process. Remember that the gift card number is like this. It's up to this number. Let's say this 4, this 8, this 12, and this 16. So this is your 16-digit code, and this is your PIN. You can even head over to physical gift card if you want to check your physical gift card balance. So this is physical gift card, right? And then this is for e-gift card. You can switch it to e-gift card, and so here you have for your e-gift card. You can see your e-gift card number and your PIN. So enter it, 16 code and 4. And then click on check balance, and you will see your balance right there. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.